morning, Madam Jintan. I'm from Group 11, so I would like to introduce my group members. I'm Azlina Nozali. So my group members are Mr. Leong Yu Chu, Nur Safarul Aswad, Nur Rubina binti Baharudin, Siti Anim binti Arifin. So today I would like to present about MSU Management Science University Marketing Strategy Development for January 2019 intake. So this is our contents. Next. Okay. Marketing strategy. Marketing strategy is a small part of business strategy where business strategy deals with manufacturing, operational, services, and procurement, and so on. Marketing strategy will look toward marketing needs, business environment, distribution, and other such marketing-related areas. Therefore, it could be said that marketing strategy is the plan and action to promote the organization, plan and action to develop sales and marketing share. So as we know, marketing strategy is a long-term and forward-looking approach to planning with the fundamental goals of achieving a sustainable competitive advantage. Marketing strategy highlights the role of marketing as a link between the organization and its customers. Next. Okay, this is the marketing planning process. So we can see here the marketing planning process, starting from the corporate mission, situation analysis, internal factor, external factor, corporate strategy, marketing strategy that include product, target market, then include product, price, promotion, place, and the last step is implementation and evaluation. So at this most basic level, strategic marketing address three simple questions. Where, for example, the first question is where are we now? Where are we going? How are we going to get there? So in attempting to answer those questions, strategic planning requires sophisticated skill in both research and analysis. Next. So let's go through some profile of MSU. MSU is one of the top-rated university in Malaysia. The award-winning homegrown study programs of the university meet stringent standards set by both local and international bodies. MSU have been accorded excellent status university twice on the National University Rating System and named the most entrepreneurial private university by the Malaysian Ministry of Higher Education. A recent rating by QS 2016 rating placed MSU on the world-class standard when it awarded 5-star to the university for the teaching, employability, facility, social responsibility, and inclusiveness. That's all. Next, I will be continued with my group members. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. My name is Norubina binti Bahadin. Element of marketing process for MSU, there are 4 processes. One is situation analysis. Performing situation analysis it is important to understand the market strength of the organization. Assets that should be evaluated include employees, physical infrastructure, brand reputation, and operating capital. Then plan the marketing strategy. And then marketing decision means is putting the right product in the right place, at the right price, at the right time. It's simple. MSU just need to create product that a particular group of people want. And then implement and control. The implementation and control of marketing plan is a process. We should ensure that achievement of the strategy a special role in this process, the function of organizing and direct people. Okay, next is benefit and cost of MSU for the marketing campaign. There are 2, cost and benefit. For benefit, to get agent as well who provide student for the university, and at the same time, MSU also get student as well. Provide a lot of information, it becomes easier for rival university and know more information about university. Cost of MSU for marketing campaign provide flyers to students, joint expo education, advertising at TV, radio, FB, and so on. Okay, next. For internal and external environment factors that influence MSU marketing decision, MSU internal and external factor could be described by using micro and micro environment factor. Micro environment is consisting of factors that are not directly involved with the business. This would be MSU external factor, which are not directly controlled by the organization. PSL analysis help organization to evaluate their macro environment. Micro environmental factor are the factor that are directly related with the organization. It is called internal factor as well, which is controlled by subway. SWOT analysis help organization to evaluate their current macro environment. Thank you, madam.
I'm Ms. Intan. My name is Siti Adim Arifin. I would like to tell you about PESTEL analysis, SWOT analysis, and marketing segmentation of MSU. PESTEL analysis is a short form of politic, economical, social, technological, legal, and environmental. This is what I can see MSU doing their analysis. A PESTEL analysis is a framework tool used by marketers to analyze and monitor the micro environmental, external marketing environment factor that have impact on an organization. The result of which is used to identify threats and weakness, which is used in a SWOT analysis. As you can see, MSU PESTEL analysis is political. By some countries, government are putting restriction on issuing franchise. MSU is making good relation with Malaysian government by giving taxes and contribution on the education sector. Economical tax rate affect business and different countries. Tax rates is different in inflation rate effect on by MSU as they have a long-term strategy. Economic condition of Malaysia, other countries effect on MSU as they have local and international students. Social, ethnic origin effects on MSU. Multicultural activities effect on the student education. Technological, develop technological use required as MSU student look for developed technological use by the university. MSU can use modern technology for internal maintenance. environmental. MSU has currently taken steps to go for green in order to save environment. Variety of courses and develop university campus has developed the environment of the university life of Malaysia. Legal. Local legal issues are considerable for decision-making process. Health and safety issues is important for decision-making process. Next. SWOT analysis of MSU. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning technique used to help a person or organization identify strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat-related business connection or project planning. As you can see, SWOT analysis of MSU that I can observe. The strength, MSU have a large campus with developed facilities for the student. They have students from more than 25 countries. They have a good relationship with external agents in order to get students. Weakness. High employees turnover. Visa issues for the international student. Opportunities. Demand for many new courses. Large campus to accommodate for students to open new international campus. Threats. Rival universities are developing. Threat from the internal employees. Agent demand might change. World economic condition change could affect badly. Next. And the last one is marketing segmentation for MSU. Marketing segmentation is the activity of dividing a broadcast consumer or business market, normally consistency of existing and potential customers into subgroup of consumer based on some types of shared characteristic. Marketing segmentation for MSU is demographically but behaviorality and geographically. So, as I can elaborate these four elements, region, geographic, region, market density, and market size. Demographically is they can see age and lifestyle, gender, income, occupation, marital status, social class, family size, and education level. Physiologically, lifestyle, personality, values, belief, and behavior, occasions, user status, quantity, lawyer status, and attitude. Why marketing segmentation is important? It allows a business to precisely reach a consumer with a specific needs and wants. In the long run, this benefits the company because they are able to use their corporate resources more effectively and make a better strategic marketing decision. Thank you.
Yang ni?
Ni, slide.
Sakit. Tolong Wan.
Memang dia kena tolong pun. Tugas dia.
Dah.
Ni Dah? Boleh tak?
Nanti kita kat di depan.
Oh. A very good morning. I am Leong. I'm from the group number 11. Today I would like to present about the target strategy for MSU marketing campaign for January 2019 intake. At this point, this part is very important for MSU to build up their strategy in order to get a large number of students for January intakes. Therefore, they have to build a good relationship between the agents in order to get a large number of students of intake. But nowadays it's getting difficult to contact with the international agents. In order to overcome the situation, MSU needs to develop online marketing campaign, which is be cost effective and easily send their messages to the relevant agents. In the other hand, MSU cannot rely on the target too much. At this point, they can use online social media to promote MSU offerings and details which generally needed by the students. Okay, next one. The second slide is the buyer's behavior that affects marketing activities for MSU. Many things will go through the student's mind at the time of decision-making process to take admission into a university. The following diagram shows an overview steps that students' mind goes through at the time of decision-making process to take admission in a university, which is the need recognition and problems awareness. Most of the students will do the early analysis in the market to check the recognition, and the problem will occur in the coming when they choose the university. The second is information search. Information search is a quite important part here because they need to know a few things about the courses they are going to choose, and information of alternativeness. The next is purchases, and after purchases will be the post-purchase evaluation. The post-purchase evaluation, if after the purchase, they will need to do another thorough check through what they have chosen and purchased. It is important for MSU to maintain all above qualities to meet to their targeted student expectation. Sustain competitive advantages of MSU. Competitive advantages is the position of MSU among their rival universities. In Malaysia, there are few rivals of, for example, in Malaysia, MSU have many competitors. For example, is the Mahsa universities, Taylor University, University of Malaya, and the rest. Therefore, they would have to take steps in order to develop their strategy and achieve competitive advantages. Next one. New courses positioning for MSU. In every year, MSU introduce new courses in order to develop their business and the range of services they provide. Therefore, in January intake, they will introduce new courses, and marketing department would have to determine their position into the market at the time of decision-making for process for their marketing campaign. Thank you very much.